Hey everyone, today you're going to be taking a look at MVP 1.4 examining units. So today we're going to look at how we can count the total number of units and how we can divide up our units as well. So our first example is going to be with multiplying units. So that's trying to find out how many total units there are. So for instance, if you're trying to find out how far you've gone and you already know how fast you're going, what your speed is, like if you're going 60 miles per hour and you have traveled 3 hours, you can just multiply their units. So I would multiply 60 miles per hour times 3 hours, and that'll tell me my total distance, which would be 180 miles. This also goes along with total cost of things. So for instance, if I know that I'm going to get 7 sandwiches and each sandwich costs $5, I can find out the total cost of my lunch by multiplying the number of items, 7, times the cost, which is $5, which will tell me that I'm going to spend $35 for lunch. The same can be said for finding rates or dividing our units. So for instance, if I wanted to find out the average amount of students per grade level, I would take the total amount of students and divide that by the unit I want to find. So I'm dividing that per grade level. So at our school, we have about 600 students, and we have 3 grades. So I can divide the total amount of students, 600, divided by the number of grades, 3, and that'll give me the average of students per grade, which is about 200. The same can be said for if you buy a box of cookies and you want to share it amongst your friends. So if you know that you have a total amount of 20 cookies and you have 5 friends to share it with, then I know that I can use the total amount and divide that by the unit I'm looking for. So I'm going to use 20 cookies divided by 5 friends, which will give me 4 cookies per friend. So that's how you can use multiplying units and dividing units when you're taking a look at the activity today. So remember, you're going to be taking a look at the 1.3 serving up symbols so that you can use those variables to calculate the different rates and the total amounts. Remember, rates are with dividing, totals, amounts is with multiplying. Okay guys, have a good day.